Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday and a quick take with Kate that has folks fighting over whose it is. Or is that whose? When do we use an apostrophe and when don't we? When is it its and when is it its? When is it your and when is it your? To crack this case, let's begin with pronouns. Pronouns, which are noun substitutes, have three cases: the nominative, the objective, and the possessive case. Possessive case pronouns show ownership. Something belongs to someone. Notice the possessive case pronouns already exist. We never have to add an apostrophe to them. That's right, never. So we would say the car lost its bumper, and that painting is your best. So if the possessive case pronouns never need an apostrophe, what is the word its? I-T apostrophe S. Its is a contraction. Two words pulled together with a letter dropped out, indicated by the apostrophe. Other contractions: their, which is they are; your, you are; whose, who is. Can't, won't, shouldn't, they'll, could've, and would've. Take note, though, there is no such word as could of. Then why do people say that? Probably because when we say the contractions could've and would've, we hear the sound of. But the contraction is formed from the word have, not of. It's easy to become confused, so be sure you're proofreading and that your proofreading skills are up to par. And one more thing, never use an apostrophe for plurals. It's lions, tigers, and bears, CDs and ATMs, Smiths and Joneses. That's right, Joneses, ES. For the rest of the story, go to CateTouryan.com/QuickTakes.